So, hello everyone. We are here at Collectors Meet. A lot of vendors here, and let's see what we can find. Look.
I have them all in the bag right now.
Wow, okay.
More paint. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Yeah. All right. See you.
Look at these.
Boy, I'm gonna have to give you commission if I sell now for advertising.
Yeah, for sure. They all handmade, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Further over, why don't I go around?
Sometimes you miss out on things.
Starting to be busy.
That's where I was like, I saw that. I'm like, oh my god. 170, yeah, 170 on average 85, okay? And that's most of them are around 85, but then there is like other sets. 90 now. No, he's still keeping them around 85. The Boulevard cases though are they're pricey, but they also are pricey in store too. They're retail. So.
Are you guys picking up any cars?
Yeah.
What's the name?
Angie.
Yeah, Jesse.
Jesse. Yes. Oh.
What's your name, sir? Oh yes, I have it.
Busy? No? Good.
That's the, we raffle off and give away the kid.
Frank, what do you want on the drive box? This.
Right, boss? Cher, hein? T'as l'impression que tu me voles, hein? C'est que là, je n'ai trois. C'est correct. Pas cher. C'est lui qui m'a fourni les deux autres. J'ai mon bug dans le coin là-bas. C'est moi qui ai pensé que le bug, ouais. On va dans la chute à ma fille. Non, c'est une affaire de vie encore plus basse. L'année prochaine, je vais te choper derrière. Je vais réduire le domaine. Chaque année, là, je change des choses. Ah, merci. Oui, en fait, deux.
Brand new?
Yeah.
The blue one?
Do you want to just come back?
Keep looking, let's keep looking.
It's okay, I can come back.
Busy? No? Busy? Good. Busy? No?
Yeah, we got a couple sales already.
Good.
You look the same with the other man.
Sorry. Thank you. How are you doing?
Good, you man?
Good, good. Busy, no?
Oh yeah.
These big furniture.
Oh, this is first time I see this. This is. Didn't get them anymore until now. How much the protector?
3 and 4, and then if you buy like multiples, it's like these are like $36 if you buy 2.
I need more light here.
Huh?
Need more light.
I got a flashlight for you.
Oh.
Yeah, no worries. Couple of Fords and
Yeah, just my back's really bad.
yeah, no worries. Does that help? No, doesn't help. Okay.
Yeah, I got one right here.
Don't worry, it's gonna be.
It didn't matter if it was $30 or not. It's just cracked.
The moving parts. 8 months.
Oh yeah.
Busy, no?
I don't
know, it's my son's table, but I'd say, yeah, not too bad.
Not too bad. Good. Hopefully the light is not good.
Yeah, no,
Oh.
back here it's not for sure.
I got it. I don't have any cards for you.
I think the
Yeah,
car
for sure, man. Yeah, yeah.
is the most popular.
He has to practice, right? He's working with some 5-year-old there.
I need to go get a drink.
Look at this beauty.
Andrew has 2 of those. Right here. This round range.